Hi, we're Richard and Jackie, and we're Early Retirement Wanderlust.
We've been in Scottsdale, Arizona for the last week, but it's moving on day. The road trip begins.
So we've got a really busy day. We've got to take my mum to the airport and drop her off because she is flying out to Honolulu. She's having a week in Hawaii, and we have got to drop off her car at the car hire and go and pick up our own new car.
But not before we've finished our packing and we have a cheeky little IHOP breakfast for the rest of the day. Catch you later.
Bye.
Classic Rich and Jackie style. We dropped Iris's car off fine at the airport. We went to pick up our car. For some reason they were wanting to upsize us. We can't quite work out why that was. We just wanted a standard car to be able to tour around for the next 17 days. Then when we got to the lot, the lovely lady there just said, take your pick of any of the two doors. And we only had Ford Mustangs or Teslas to choose from. We ended up with a Ford Mustang. So standard Jackie, we haven't even got out of the driveway and she's got to go back and check that she locked the door and she shut the gate on the house. It's going to be a long journey. So it's 9 o'clock and We're in Williams and we have had a bit of a wander around town.
Yeah, it's a really cute little town. It's an old railroad town. It's on Route 66. Our lodge is actually on Route 66.
So we've spoken to quite a few of the locals, and one thing's for sure, we ain't driving to the Grand Canyon tomorrow.
It's due heavy snow, a foot of heavy snow, but we have made a fab ulterior plan.
So it was Jackie's brainwave after moping around town, thinking that we weren't going to get up there because I think the police are going to shut the highway tomorrow. So there's no way that we can get up by road. But we popped into the railroad hotel that also runs the railroad.
And there's a train that goes from Williams up to the Grand Canyon. It only goes once a day. It's actually quite an expensive train. It's $80 each, but it's a steam train, I think, and it takes 2.5 hours through all of the scenery. It'll be snowing on the way up. It'll be sunny on the way back. We're going to spend the 3 nights that we would have been in the Grand Canyon anyway, because we can send our luggage.
So it's going to be interesting. It's going to be an early start tomorrow. So what we've got to do is we've got to repack everything because we're going to have to leave loads of stuff in the car, repack everything to make sure we've got enough for 3 days. And then we've got to be at the ticket booth at the station for 7:30 in the morning. So it should all work out all right. So exciting.
I am really excited now, and I was really, really crabby earlier when I thought that we wouldn't be able to get there.
Okay, so we'll see how it goes. See you tomorrow.
Yep, bye.
Morning.
So we're on to Plan C.
It's been snowing all night and we're stuck in Williams, so we ain't going anywhere for 24 hours.
We started clearing the roads, but it was just a bit too late for us to get to the train station. It's not a bad thing though. We wanted some time to spend exploring in Williams. We were going to stay a night after we got back from the Grand Canyon, so yep, that's it for us the day.
So we'll see how things go, and fingers crossed for tomorrow, but best laid plans. See you later.
Bye.